Tahimik ang grupo. Hindi sila pinahiya ni Novemay. Pero malinaw ang kanyang panindigan sa kanyang mahinahon at magalang na paraan. Naipakita niya ang respeto sa kaibigan at sa confidentiality ng workplace. Minsan, ang tamang approach ay hindi paglayo, kundi pagturo ng mas mabuting asal.
During regular hours.
Ganun ba? Parang kasi may available na kasi time wala na last week.
Okay lang po, I understand. Pero if urgent po talaga, I can adjust once in a while. Pero if weekly po, parang hindi ko din po kayanin. Pero I'll promise na maximum my time para hindi po tayo nag-wait.
Sir, totoo po. Sobrang sikap ni Kuya kahit regular hours.
Tama nun! O kasi mabilis naman siya magtrabaho eh.
Bibigay ni guys some tasks para hindi lahat may nagkakong
Okay, so Mia, I appreciate your honesty and let's adjust. So,
Your colleague in a company you are working has learned that the manager's brother has just been arrested for assault. He intends to discuss this loudly wherever he is. What should you do without creating any conflict with your colleague?
Bakit na? Ano ba? Umangkot sa manager ba? Natakpan kayo na wala. Tapos, ako nangyari ba kayo? Di ba kabuhan sa manager tapos ikamang inang masa ko siya na pero pwede na ako pwede man. Pero kapatid ka na yes ko kapatid sa kagabi itong dalapan okay pamumugdap mong dapan na palitan parang aware at mga oo mahalaga pero sensitibo mo pa ayaw mo ng tawag naman tinawag sadya pero kay namang kita sa trabaho hindi kita kapag kanang tabi-tabi kasi ang atong manager makabati kasi magdala ka niya ang problema sa atong trabaho. Okay, gusto rin na kumakuan, kabayo ka, then makipayan ikaw. Gusto rin na kumakuan sa iyo mga dapat, hindi na ito na istorya sa trabaho. Okay. Work.
Salamat sa
Pero basta kay focus na ka sa pagtrabaho niya para ma-kaksa niya ang
In a bustling city of Manila, Lycas Company is expecting new business partners.
Ma'am, our future business partners and these are the personal automation business.
Thank you, Novi. This could really help us a lot.
I hope this partnership can bring big Mom, they're here.
Oh, hello. It's nice to meet you, Mr. Angelo and Mr. Conrad. Mr. Rama, our dear future business partners.
After a while of discussing their business plan, the other company started to question Lycas company.
Are you sure that our business company will prosper with this partnership?
Yes, about that.
Sure. You're very sure about that. Since there's a lot of here's my lesson.
My sincere apologies because I'm late. By the way, I'm your listener.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Boy.
So, I offer sir, I offer you the question to our president here. And I can assure you, sir, that ensuring So, sir, I overheard your question to our president earlier, and I can assure you, sir, that investing in Leica's company is just about return. Our company is truly one of a kind. We combine innovation, reliability, and excellence into solutions designed to meet your high standards. So, what can you say, sir?
Okay. You truly have been Mr. Delphi.
And now, we officially announce our business partnership with Leica's company.
Thank you so much, sir, dear.
Kuan, ma'am. In our road play today, because we lack practice, but we try our best now.
You too? May this paper within this thing.
Okay, Mom. You can leave the class. You already know what your responsibility to do this. Huh? Wait, I don't know. I don't care, just do this. I'm not even planning with my own class. Are you done? Make sure that this is correct. Oh my God, I'm doing my job. Just say, can you just wait? Oh my God, I'm almost done here. Just go on.
Okay. Are you finally done?
Yes, here, pass it.
Hello, Mom.
Hi, this is the paper you assigned us.
Minute or check that, okay? Are you the one who made this? Oh my God, all of these are wrong. Are you using your mind? JR,
Sorry, Mom. I will redo this and pass it ASAP.
make it faster. You're wasting my time.
Yes, Mom.
Sorry.
Aliyah! This is all wrong!
Huh? Why?
All of it. It's wrong.
I'm sorry. I'll just get rid of this, okay?
Stop! Mom, blame me for that! You're useless!
Me? Useless? Yes. Then who else would blame? You, Jayden, you're the one who assigned this task and you made me do it. You know, I have the responsibilities also. I'm not a robot. I'm just a human wanting to become a normal woman. So please stop blaming me for everything that I've done.
I don't care what you're saying!
I don't care.
Just make it don't care if I keep quiet in here.
I don't care.
We're just an employee, nothing for nothing. Let's stop blaming me.
I don't care. You're
This is your drama. This is your task, and then you're supposed to know me.
It's you. I gave it to you to handle.
What's with this drama? She's the one who started first. Stop. You don't know my office. Come to my office.
Don't push me. Oh my God. Aliyah.
No, not me. You started. This is your.
You make the paper all wrong. You.
I might get the stop. Okay, stop blaming yourself. Okay. You're all employed here. We're like families. So if you have problems, talk it out, but in a calm way. No need to yell or say something harsh. Do you all know that conflict can ruin relationships or lead to have no friends or no friends that can lead on? So remember, families, we're all families here at our company. So families must work together to make our band stronger, right? Do you understand? Okay, unsay essence sa inyong ipakita ko man nga report? Ang mga senaryo ko man kuhan kita ma'am ka ng night nag-conflict na two employees then mo dating mo diha mo kuhan ang manager na kanang midgets.
Mana?
Settle sila para kanang di ba kuhan ka ng mag-operate ang tanan is mo successful ang company. So ako ni isa ka ng confident para sinapta na.
Hey, good job, group.
Yay!
Okay, next.
Na, dari na.
Sayang ka na siya.
Tip lang.
He started it. I don't care. Sorry, na.
We are the last presenter.
Ako din kanya si
So among these four scenarios, we choose scenario number 3. A team leader motivates employees, gives clear directions, and keeps the team energized.
No.
Okay, good morning team. Ready na ba kayo to make this week productive?
Yes, sir!
Okay, quick update na tayo. Target natin this quarter is plus 10% sales. So, kaya natin ito basta teamwork lang. By the way, Ira, ano mga priority natin this week?
For now, sir, we have more trial tools and also follow-ups. Alam sa big hours para consistent.
That's good. So, Rita, do you have any creative ideas?
We can not short one of you. Yung madali lang i-share sa online. I can drop myself by mistake.
That's nice.
So, lagi sino ba pwedeng tumulong para sa decorations?
I can help with scheduling and set up excuses.
Ako bala sa editing. Pero basta may snap after. Pero G ako tumulong.
Sige, Ivan, we'll see that snack. So, by the way, this is Jelchen, our new hire. So, Jelchen, what can you handle this week?
I'll do client follow-up emails and I'll also observe real demo process para mas matutunan.
Oh, that's a great initiative, Jelchen. So, where's Erica? Oh, Erica, we need your weekly numbers updates.
Yes, every Friday morning, quick reports on calls, demos, and conversations.
That's very good, Erica. So, kaya natin to guys, basta kapag naka-move tayo together with passion and consistency, of course, make sure that wala tayong goal na hindi maabot. Do not afraid of losing. That is already part of our life. So, please, let's make a progress.
Handa ko pong gawin ang assignment task ngayong week para makatulong sa goal ng team natin.
Kung kailangan kayo, hindi mo tumulong para mas mapabilis ang progress natin.
Motivated po ako today and I'll make sure to give my best at every task assigned to me.
Okay, thank you so much everyone. By the way, let's
Get it out!
let's start the bias.
Yay! Smooth, smooth.
Lie down. Okay, sige. Unsay exercise yung dito ay? Stand today.
Kaan ma'am, ang team leader nag-motivate sa ilang mga employees na bahala, okay ra o lose basta mo keep going yun na students. Keep going at kibali. Yata ni niya o clear directions sa ilang mga employees o bilagin motivates para din sila ma-lose of hope. Something like that.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yay!